Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to render image. So for example, you can insert the objects. I will use the cube object and we apply for the material. You can right click, go to assign materials, I per site and I will use shader, a standard surface and click the file options and then you can browser your texture. Yeah, example, I will use this texture and it will be automatically applied to the object like this. The seconds we can add for the lightnings. So you can go to Arnold here, Arnold menu, and I will use this area like. You can use the move tools to move the lightnings, okay, to the top a bit, and you also can rotate in the right axis like this. Increase the intensity at this point. The next to render the object, you can go to Arnold here and then click opens Arnold render view. So this is for the preview, and you can click these icons to start to rendering. You can increase the entity at this point for lightning entities. And after it, if you want to save to the image, you can go to the file menu, click save image. And the next, you can set for the file names. After it, you can click save to save this render view as image. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to render image.